Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing a cage for the A6400 by Sony. So if you have a camera like this and you want to protect it, probably you want to check some cages. So this one I purchased from Amazon. It costs around 30 euros. And this is what you can find inside the box and how it looks after you assemble your camera inside. So it comes with these two wrenches, and this is the cage itself. Okay, so it feels really sturdy, strong. This is really heavy, so it's not something that you could break with your own hands. So it has to be dropped from really high to bend, because this is really hard. So as you can see, every hole is a mounting point for something. Okay, so if you have something and you want to rig to your camera, this is a really useful cage. Okay, so let's put the camera inside. And now we have to secure the camera to the cage. So with the wrench that came inside the box, we can secure with a bigger one. Okay, so now you just need to mount your quick release plate from your tripod and start assembling stuff to your camera. Okay, so this is how it looks. We can still reach every button, change battery, remove the SD card, access the HDMI or the USB port. So for 30 euros I think it's a good solution. So besides protection from a possible fall, you get a lot of mounting points for accessories like a hand grip or a microphone or flash or light, whatever. So we have a lot of options to mount other stuff into our camera, and this is how it looks. So now I will just mount some stuff on, just for you to see how it can work, but I think that for the price it is a good cage. It's the first one I own, so I cannot compare with another one, but for the price I think it's worth it. Okay, so now I can protect my camera from falling, and it makes it look more professional, and I can attach several units to my rig. Okay, so this is just an example that we can do, and just for you to see that it's really sturdy and it's usable and make our life as a photographer or a video producer easier. So just to tell you again, so this was 30 euros from Amazon. I will be leaving the link in the video description if you think to buy this unit for your camera, and I'm quite happy with it, and I think it was a good business opportunity. Thank you, and I catch you on another video. Bye bye.